guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can join and unjoin clips on DaVinci Resolve. So for instance, you want to join these two clips right here. To do that, you're going to select the clips. You can select more than two, but I'm just going to do this one, or you can press Ctrl on your keyboard to select those clips. Right click and select new compound clip. Select create, and as you can see, the clips will be joined together. It's here too, compound clip 3. If you want to unjoin it, you're just going to right click and select decompose in place and select using clips only. And as you can see, the clips have been unjoined. And that is pretty much it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I will try my best to answer them all. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!